facility management in retail right now. Up to now, we talk about different parts of the technologies in retail, and let's talk about facility management. Before I hand it over to Sam, I'll just share some brief background information as a start. So the one of the important things about facility management is being able to put together three things: man, machine, and material. And one of the technologies that we put together is called BEAM, that is for facility management, and that's what Sam will be demonstrating on a high level. And it is basically consists of two major modules. One is for asset maintenance, personnel, and spare part management. Another part is for purchasing and after sales management, as well as dashboard. So this is the technology that we have been developing since 1998. And one of the good things about this system is that it is open for communicating other technologies. There may be an IoT device, there may be a manufacturing execution system, there may be a CRM system or any ERP system, basically to pull and push data. The idea is to have an integrated management system for companies to use together without double entry. That is basically the idea. The main benefit here is that actually savings in terms of maintenance operations, because retail organizations are they also have assets as in they have boilers, heaters, they have AC units, they have other equipment and machinery that they have in their buildings, and they need to also maintain the building, by the way. So that is actually a task, an important task, to make the location look good, the ambience look good, and to make the customers actually motivated to continue shopping there. So in that sense, facility management is very important for retail industry. That is why we put this together. So what we're gonna do is talking about the BEAM. I'd like to hand it over to Sam. Sam can show us maybe on a very high level how one can manage asset and maintenance operations in retail industry. Sam, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's make you the presenter. Okay, great.
Okay. And can you see my screen?
Yes, you have 10 minutes, and I'll let you know when 5 minutes is left. Thank you, Sam.
Sure. Thank you, Kevin. So thank you for joining this webinar, and this is Sam at Bimser International. So this is the home screen of BEAM, and you can find all the widgets showing you the real-time data in a scorecard and in a table and also in a pie chart. So it's helped you to keep monitoring the performance and KPI of your company. And considering the top left widget, it is different location of your company. So you can see the real-time data will change accordingly depending the command or the location that is selected in this widget. Okay. So it's give you an overview like how they're doing, how much cost for the maintenance for different location. And on the top left, this is the main menu of BEAM. So you can find all the available modules here. So first of all, let us get into the asset module. So right here, I can find the graphical asset tree so that you can upload the blueprint or the floor plan of your store or retail store or location and pinpoint the asset or facility that you have on this floor plan. So you can move your cursor and find the basic information of this particular asset. For example, like the refrigerators or the HVAC machine, the HVAC system, and you can click and create a work request right on this map or this graphical asset tree. Okay, and once they are under maintenance operation, they will turn into red as the color, which means it is under maintenance and out of function. So right here in this module, you can also find the asset tree here, which helps you to get a basic understanding how the asset is arranged or located in different locations. So these are all the locations that we have in this demo environment. And you can assign your particular asset to this location, and you can find what machineries or equipment or facilities is in this location. Also, we can combine two different assets to perform a single task, and all the maintenance or task that assigned it to the parent's asset, it will be applied to the dependent asset as well. And by the way, there's no limit in this hierarchy form or in this hierarchy view of the asset tree. So let's see what you can enter in BIM. So saying we have different assets, and you can enter the information like the name, the serial number, the brand, and also the barcode number, and also the buying price. Some more information like you can assign the maintenance team, which is responsible to take care of all the maintenance operation that is assigned to this asset, and record the legitimate proceedings information like insurance or inspection, upload the picture of your asset, and upload the handbook or instruction as a supporting document to this asset. And in all the modules in BIM, you can find the reporting tool, which allows you to create over 10,000 ready-made report. So you can generate your report right in BIM and set up some condition to your report and prepare it. So your data will be shown in a pie chart or in a table. And also you can export this report into different file formats like PDF, image, or Excel for sharing with any responsible parties. And right here, instead of generating this report every single time you need it, actually you can schedule this report to be sent by BIM automatically. So, and under this configuration, you will receive this report in your email inbox every day at 9 in the morning. And in BIM, in order to make sure your facilities is at the best condition, so that once there is any unplanned breakdown comes up to your facilities or asset, you can generate your work requests here, which you can fill in a fast request form and request for maintenance services or operation to your asset. And all the work requests will be sent to this work order pool, which are mostly handled by the management.
Hello, Sam.
Or the responsible party. Yes.
Hi,
Kevin.
this is Kevin. You have 3 minutes. Thank you.
Sure. Operated by the management and the responsible parties for the maintenance operation. So in this work order function, that you can schedule the planned start date and end date for the maintenance operation, and also assign the responsible person to carry out this maintenance operation, as you can see right here. So you can pick and choose from the calendar, set up the date, and assign it to certain responsible employees, and define the material that will be used by for this maintenance operation, and all the costs will be calculated automatically by BIM. And in BIM, in this module, you can also schedule your preventive maintenance, which you can set up the date or the next time, the time period that you want to have the next maintenance operation, in order to keep your asset at the best condition and avoid any unplanned breakdown. So right here, you can set up the date, or we can set up by some counter readings, for example, based on the temperature, vibration, production, and so on. And in BIM, you can also find the material module, as known as the spare parts module. And similar to the asset module, you can record or save different information for your spare parts, like the name, the serial number, the brand, and the picture and document, which is coming up to the screen. 1 second, excuse my internet speed. Okay. 1 second. Okay, right here, the material. Okay, it's coming up right here. Yes, great. So as I mentioned, you can save different information like the name, the brand, the serial number, barcode number, and so on. And also set up the warehouse parameters, which allow BIM to keep checking if the quantity of this particular spare part is if it's reached the maximum stock level and also the safety stock level in order to keep your inventory at the optimum level and save your inventory costs. And finally, we have the personnel module as known as skill management module, which allows you to save the information and the skill set of your employees. So you can set up the shift and the location they are working at, and some more personal information like address, education, and work experience. Those can be recorded in BIM as well. And it's come to the end of my demonstration. Thank you.